shaking. And no, I haven't even had coffee yet this morning. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara Z and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So today, my goodness, I cannot believe it. I am doing an unboxing and reveal of my Kelly 25. I really cannot believe it. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the ribbon, and actually I have already unboxed it. However, I wanted to show you the unpackaging experience. If you are interested, you might not be interested and you might scroll the whole way through, and I have not been so excited to unbox a bag, I don't think ever, and it's just absolutely insane. So here is the box, and before I open this box, can you guess what color, hardware, and leather I got? So while I'm unboxing this, you can put a comment down below on what you think I got. However, some of you may already know that last time I picked up a Birkin 25 in the beige de Weimar, I might be saying that wrong, in the Vogue Jonathan leather. So yeah, what color do you think I got? So here is the tissue paper, which I know some of you will be impatient. And here is the bag. Can you guess what color and size this is? Well, it might be already in the thumbnail, so you already know. There are some care booklets, and here is the clochette. So here is the bag. I am still shaking. And can you guess? Did you guess what color I got? So I guess I better open this up, and I know some of you are really naughty and scrolled all the way to this point, but that's okay. I still love my viewers. So let's open this up slowly now. And I'm just gonna slowly show the handle. All right. Does anyone know what color this is? All right, I'm gonna stop teasing you and remove the rest of the cloth bag. Sorry, that's not camera shake. That is actually me because I am just so excited. So here it is. It is the Kelly 25 in the color Etan with the gold hardware in the Togo leather. Oh my goodness. I was so ecstatic and happy. I'm gonna walk you through why I picked this bag after I just kind of show you some of the details of the bag. I'm not gonna do a what's fits and how it compares to the Birkin 25. I will save that for a future video after I've had time to digest and stop shaking so that I have calm hands to show you the bags properly without the camera shake, which is just not professional, right? So here is the front of the bag, and you can see it is in a gold hardware and the beautiful top handle. Apparently this is the hardest part of the bag to make. I know it's just a top handle, but because these are handmade and I'm not a bag expert, right? So you got to at least appreciate the handle. So here is the front of the bag, and because it's Togo, the first thing I was looking for is there a lot of veins, because as you know, Kat told me about veins and to be wary of them. And if you haven't seen her unboxing of the Birkin 25, you definitely need to see that. Another gorgeous bag. Okay, so there aren't too many veins. I think there's like a few faint ones along here, but you can't really see. Here is the side of the bag. This is, by the way, a return bag, so basically it is the stitching is inside and it's a more relaxed look. And here's the back, the side, and obviously 4 little feet here so that if I have to place it on the ground, hopefully it won't scratch or get dirty. So what else comes in the box? The rest of the stuff that comes in the box includes the clochette. So I'm just going to remove that there, and you can see that it has a lock there in the gold color. It's so pretty and it matches my bracelets. And on the other side, obviously it has keys. Who has time to lock and unlock their bag? Seriously. But anyways, this is supposed to go on the handle here. You know, there are a couple things about putting this on the handle. First of all, you do not want your own Kelly accessory to scratch your Kelly bag. Why do they do that? I don't know. So aside from being heavy, I don't want the Kelly lock to scratch my Kelly bag. So obviously, I'm just gonna leave this to the side and, I don't know, find something to lock up maybe. And of course, the most important thing about having a Kelly bag is of course the strap, which comes in this bag. And here you have it in the A10 leather, also in the gold hardware, as you can see here. And that just hooks up on the hook here next to the top handle. Oh my goodness, this is so hard to clip on. Maybe it's because of my nails. Okay, so we got her finally on the two straps. Quickly remove the felt. All right, the bag is free. So people usually would wear this with the flap closed and obviously with the sangles on top, and you close it like so. And then you turn the final lock. But honestly, who has time for that? So usually how I think I've seen people wear it is basically just with the sangles flown open like this. Well, maybe not like this, maybe just a bit under here. And basically they only use the turn lock and they open it like so. And then they just close it and turn the turn lock. So now that I've taken off the felt, I can show you what it looks like inside. Bubble wrap, gone. Okay, so inside the bag, there is a zippered compartment here. And it's quite deep actually. It goes up to about this part of the bag. So it is quite deep, and you can see the inside of the bag. I believe this is chev leather, so it's not exactly Togo, however it is very soft and malleable. And then on the other side there is a slip pocket here, and it looks like this one is also quite deep. It goes almost to the bottom of the bag, and then the center is just a big hole, just the way I love it, so that I can just chuck in all my items. So just to share a few modeling shots, and today I'm wearing an Isabel Marant shirt and Boss shorts. Not like I think you care what I'm wearing today, because we're here to see the bag. This is what it looks like, and it does fit, yay, through the crook of my arm. Unlike my Birkin 25 that I could hardly get past my forearm, this one fits all the way through. And no, I'm not going to put this all the way up my shoulder, but this is really good enough because this is just convenient and easy. So crook of the arm, hand carry, and then the shoulder strap. So I'm about 5'4", and you can see it hits perfect shoulder height. My hips are here, and so this fits at a really comfortable level. And I like that the bag is quite soft, so it molds quite nicely to the body. And then I'm going to crossbody it here. Now this is definitely too high to crossbody. As you can see, the handle is really hitting quite high on my torso. Of course, I could move this behind me, and that would be a bit more comfortable if I really did need to be hands-free. But in general, I don't believe this strap length is good for crossbody, and hence I think this looks best either on the side, hand carry, or just nicely on the crook of the arm. And if some of you have been following me, you know that in the mornings I do tend to buy coffees, and now I have arms for my coffee and also another hand for my telephone so that I can text my friends, like my good friend Cat Owl. Alright, so now that I have showed the bag, let's have a little chat about why I selected this beautiful Kelly 25 in the A10 color. So let's start off with the bag. So as you know, I have a Birkin 25. I love the size, and I also wanted to get the Kelly because I was just so impressed by the craftsmanship and the leather. Oh my goodness, my Birkin 25, it is the only bag I have in the Jonathan leather where I constantly, even when I don't wear it, want to touch the leather all the time. So I don't feel that way about any of my leathers. Maybe that's just really weird, but yes, I love the leathers. So hence, coming back to the size, I picked the Kelly 25 for a couple of reasons. First of all, my frame is not too tall, and hence I believe the 25 or even the 28 is a good size based on my height of about 5'4". So I picked the Kelly 25 because this bag works both from day to night, obviously not for a ball or a gala, but just dinner nights out. So this bag transitions really well from day to night and hence is a good size for that. I like that this bag can be crossbody because I think the Kelly 28 would look too big on my frame to be crossbodied. However, if I do get a longer strap, which is in the plan, definitely in the plan because I love a crossbody bag, then I will be able to crossbody this bag. The next selection was choosing between return or cellier. Oh my goodness, this was so difficult, but given the price of this bag, it made sense to me to get a bag that I can use more on a day-to-day basis, more on a casual basis, but I know I can dress this bag up if I really needed to, and hence I picked the return style. I know the cellier style is definitely more popular, especially in the region where I live in. However, I do find the cellier is more formal, and I want to be able to use this bag as much as possible, not only for work but also on casual occasions. Now down to the color option, what can I say? I wanted a neutral bag because, as you know, I definitely like to get the cost per wear on all my luxury items as much as possible, and hence I had to pick a neutral color, right? So it was usually between black, gray, and gold. However, I have been wanting a gray bag for the longest time, and this was one of the colors that I gave to my essay, which is the color Etan. So I'm not sure how the color looks like up close. It is not very true to color. So if you look on my Instagram account, by the way, my Instagram account is at Clarazilla. There might be a couple more pictures, but I would describe this as an ash gray, but it's very interesting because under some lighting, it looks almost green, it looks brown, and it has a hint of tan. So this is a really chameleon-like colored bag. I don't know how to describe it, but I've been so impressed by the colors of this bag because none of my other bags, other than maybe my Birkin, has this kind of chameleon-like effect where it looks brown and then green and gray, but I would call this a dark gray on initial glance. It is so gorgeous, and of course I wanted gold hardware because my Birkin is silver, and as some of you know, I am a huge jewelry lover, so definitely it goes with my jewelry. As you can see here, I'm wearing a Hermes CDC and a Cartier Juste Clou, so that goes together really nicely. So what can I say? I'm just absolutely speechless, and I am so over the moon. I am so happy about this bag. In fact, I almost feel happier receiving the second bag, as happy if not even happier than my Birkin 25, because I just absolutely love the combination of this bag, and I hope to get a lot of use out of this. And after I can get some use out of this bag, I'll be really happy to share with you my thoughts and what fits and the pros and cons of this bag. For now, I am still shaking from happiness. So thank you so much for joining me on this video and joining me for my unboxing. I know this video is a bit long and chatty, but I really just wanted to share my happiness with you and just to show you my new bag, which is the Kelly 25. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And if you haven't done so already and you are interested to watch more of my videos or any of my upcoming videos to talk about my review on the Kelly 25 or how it compares to the Birkin 25, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. I hope to see you the next time, and I wish you a very fabulous week. Have a nice day now. Bye bye now.